On FUD Fighters, this FUD Fighter Juice in the building, and just want to say this is not financial advice, for entertainment education purposes only. So let's jump right in, because I want all my FUD Fighters to win in this market, whether you subscribed, just watching this video, newly subscribed, comment, whatever. Whatever I could do to help you guys win in the market, that's what we're gonna do, because I'm gonna tell you the plays I'm in and how I am going to be hedging against this boring, flat, fudding ass market right now, okay? Because right now there's a lot of naysaying and fear in the market. So if we take a look at the crypto fear and greed, we're in extreme fear at 21. But just like I said in my last videos, this is the perfect time to buy, okay? So if we get into this, I'd always like to show this graph, because right now, let's just say if you would have bought $1,000 into a new project like Shiba Inu from in August 1st of 2020, you would be sitting roughly around $55 million. But what a lot of people are doing right now, because they're seeing this market go either boring, not moving, or the media is coming out with overinflation and all this other stuff that's definitely manipulating the market. You could tell that, look, right now we're probably in a stage where it's like you put $1,000 in and we're like in this phase right here where it's at $1. But don't worry, you hold on your bags, you dollar cost average in, and you'll be in right here. But to be honest, there's only about like 1% in the whole world who actually make it this far, because they don't have the balls to hold on long enough in this market, or they get fudded out of their bag. And that's like one of the worst feelings to have, when you held on a fat bag and you just lose it due to some FUD or some negative news articles. But we could still jump right in on what is going on today. So there was a meeting in the the raise of the federal interest rates. So if you could see right now, the federal interest rates rise by 0.50, so 0.5%. So this is the largest move since 2000. And I believe that a lot of these institutional big investors, not retail investors like us, but the ones with the big money, are taking the money out of crypto and putting it more into the bonds. And it's scaring a lot of these retail investors like us to go ahead and sell our bags. And guess what these institutional investors are going to do? They're going to scoop up your bags that you just sold, and then the FOMO is going to start rising up. So don't play victim to that, because when I first jumped into cryptocurrency a while ago, that's I only fudded, not fudded, but I only sold on one of the bags when I know I shouldn't have. Because I was listening to too much people in my ear. But I learned my lesson. I didn't do it with Shiba Inu, and I kept on dollar cost averaging in, and I definitely won out on that one. And just being in this market for a long time, this crypto market keeps on getting bigger and bigger. And the reason I'm saying this is, look, even I'm in California. I know, what's his name? Gavin Newsom is not the most popular governor in the world, but right now, California governor signs executive order to encourage Bitcoin and crypto in business. So he foresees that cryptocurrency will be, and I believe it as well, will be the new currency of the world. Would be digital. And to me, I just think that as more people get into cryptocurrency, the bullish momentum, the price action, all that kind of stuff will rise again. All right. So I know we're in a boring stage right now, but all I could say right now is don't be scared to go ahead and keep your bag, and think about why you invested in the project in the first place, and why do you see this running up so much. So another thing that I do want to point out as well, that you do have 85 days until the distribution event ends, and right now it is trading at 25 cents, but you guys get a 29% buying bonus if you were to click on my link, and it goes down by every day, the rewards on this. So this is a great project. Honestly, I put not super big, I put a nice fairly amount of shares into this. And it's kind of great, because right now it's on a distribution phase, which means that this project is not even live and running. So all my money's just been kind of stagnant sitting in there until this releases. And once it starts trading the platform, I really could see this thing blowing up. Because if you also check out this graph right now, if you invested $1,000 a year ago in any one of these cryptocurrencies, this is how much you would be making. I know Axie Infinity is another metaverse project that I feel like we are on this LUNAONE project is going to be so much bigger, in my opinion, on this Axie Infinity. And if you invested $1,000, you'll be up $1 million. And also another good thing to think about too is don't also ever feel sorry for pulling out profits when it's at a high, okay? Because that's another thing that a lot of newbies and new investors get into, and they be scared to pull out their bags at the peak. I know you can't really time it, and because at the end of the day, I don't care how good you are at reading charts, unless you're a time traveler or have a crystal ball to time the market, it's just impossible. Okay, so definitely do your research, dollar cost averaging, and pull out profits as you need them. All right, don't ever feel bad. All right, so definitely check out LUNAONE. I'll leave all descriptions down below. I'll leave the article about the interest rates moving up by 0.5%. Also, the California governor is is already signed a bill for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency businesses. So until then, man, keep on going, man. You guys got it, man. Just don't be a newbie in this game and sell out the low because everybody else does. Millionaires are not made in the bullish. I mean, billionaires are not made they are made during a bullish market, but your millionaires are made by buying in the bearish market. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, look at, there's even a bear right here. You said buy me right now, man, this market. All right, y'all have a good one. All right, peace.